Anchor coin holders doing a very big mistake in this time, my friends. Absolutely, my friends. If you are a holder of Anchor, so please keep watch this video till the end and be safe from loss. If you watch this video, so you will be safe from loss, and if you don't watch this video, so maybe it's really bad for all of you if you skip this video. Anyways, click the subscribe button now and like this video for more this kind of news and updates videos. Thank you so much for subscribing ABS Tech channel. My friends, first of all, we discuss the latest update of the Ankr coin in the market, and after that we discuss the mistake of holders doing in this time, my friends. Let's move on and let's start the video, my friends. My friends, if we look the latest price of the Ankr coin in the market, so 0.111259 USD dollar is the latest price of the Ankr in the market, my friends. On the other side, if we look the price changes occurs in the Ankr coins, absolutely, my friends, the last 1 hour price change is negative and positive, and except of the last 1 hour, last 1 day, last 1 week price change occurs in the Ankr coin is going wrong. So my friends, you know what, why the price of the Ankr coin is falls down from the yesterday? My friends, they have one reason. As you know, my friends, it is the end of month, and the end of month every cryptocurrency falls down, my friends. Now at this time, not only Ankr falls down in the end of month, Cardano, XRP, Ripple coin, Dogecoin, VeChain, a lot of cryptocurrencies falls down in the end of month. There is the common procedure of the cryptocurrencies market that in the end of month, majority market falls down, my friends. So that is why I make this video that don't do this mistake and be safe from loss. Keep watch, my friends. Let's see the price chart. What's going on, my friends? You can see here, if you look at the price chart of the Ankr coin, that is the last 1 month price chart, the whole price occur and the Ankr coin falls down, my friends. You can see here in the start, the whole month price of the Ankr coin went down, 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 down. Oh my goodness, what's going on in the Ankr coin? But now, as you know, as you can see here, that the last 1 hour price is positive. But now at this time, from yesterday, they take a huge pump, but again the price falls down, my friends. It is due to end of month. It is due to end of month, my friends. If you decide to see Ankr coin, so you can see that is the last 1 month price chart, and the last 1 month price change occur in the Ankr coin as still negative, my friends. So you are in the loss. This means that the price change as negative, so you are in the loss. Negative 31.48% price changes occur in the Ankr coin. You are in the loss. If you decide to sell, so you get loss. And if you decide to hold, my friends, so as you know, maybe there's a chances to take a jump in the future, because we can't say about the future. Maybe in my prediction about Ankr coin is 100% positive, my friends. That is why I recommend for everyone to, it's a perfect time to hold, my friends. If you decide to sell, so now at this time the market is very bad, the last 1 month pricing as a negative. That is why I recommend for everyone to, it's time to hold, my friends. Anyways, what is your opinion, what is your prediction about Ankr? Please share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates video.